Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Tesla Model 3. Charging your Model 3 is straightforward, whether you are at home or on the go. We will cover the essential steps, from plugging in to understanding charging speeds. You will learn about the different connector types and how to maximize your charging efficiency. Let's dive into the details to keep your Tesla powered up and ready for your next adventure. Charging at home is the most common and convenient method for many Model 3 owners. You can use the mobile connector with a standard 120-volt outlet, adding about 3 miles of range per hour. For significantly faster charging, consider installing a Tesla wall connector. This can provide up to 44 miles of range per hour, fully charging your vehicle overnight. It is a smart investment for daily driving. When you are away from home, public charging networks offer excellent solutions. Tesla's Supercharger network is ideal for quick top-ups, adding up to 200 miles of range in just 15 minutes. You can also find destination chargers at various locations like hotels and shopping centers, providing slower but convenient charging. Additionally, many third-party networks support your Model 3 with adapters. To optimize your Model 3 battery health and charging experience, follow a few best practices. For daily use, aim to charge your battery to around 80%. This helps prolong battery life. Only charge to 100% when you need the full range for a long journey. In colder climates, precondition your battery before charging to improve efficiency and speed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.